Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMin Unique, and today we're going to see how to apply a 3D effect for your image or picture on your Microsoft Excel mobile app. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to apply a 3D effect on your picture or image on your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. For that reason, I just want to first insert the image. So going inside the insert and going to the picture. After inserting the image, click on the done section. So we're just going to resize it. So I just want to create it as a 3D. So if you just click on the pictures, you will see this option. If you're on the screen, just change this to the picture option. And now here you just need to click on the style option. And here just scroll down and scroll down. You have this 3D sector options on the last. This is actually a 3D style. Click on this, you can find how it's look like. It have a best type of, you can see it's molded and have that style. So you also have a square type if you just need it. So this is how you just create a 3D effect on your image or picture on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMin. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.